Welcome to the LogiCO2 mk10 instructions tutorial. Because of all the new fantastic applications for CO2, there have been numerous new safety codes that have been introduced to ensure safety. The MBIC, the NFPA, the International Fire Code 2015, the CGA, and of course the OSHA. Having worked with CO2 safety for over 25 years, we at LogiCO2 are proud to say that our products cover all international safety codes, as well as applicable safety codes of the US. LogiCO2 CO2 safety system mk10 is comprised of a CO2 monitor, a horn strobe with blue power indicator, cables, a power supply, a protection bar, and of course, signs. The CO2 monitor must be installed 12 inches, 30 centimeters from the floor, and not farther than 15 feet, 5 meters from the CO2 source. Observe that you can use the box to ensure the correct height from the floor. The red CO2 sensor must be protected from damage by having the stainless steel protection bar mounted horizontally over the sensor. The white horn strobe must be mounted above the entrance door to the danger zone, so it can be seen by anyone that wants to enter the room. Make sure that the blue power indication lamp is on. The power supply is connected to a mains outlet and fixed in place by the plug lock to avoid tampering. All connectors must be protected from dirt and water by mounting the supplied collar seals and fixing them in place with a tie strap on each side. The caution sign must be mounted directly above the sensor. The two "What to Do" signs, one in English and one in the local language, must be mounted in a permanent fashion above the sensor as well, so there is no question what to do in each different situation. The warning sign is to be mounted directly by the horn strobe. In order to fulfill all international safety codes, you need 4 different alarm levels. CO2 awareness indication. The sensor flashes once every 5 seconds. The CO2 level is over 5,000 ppm. There is no immediate danger, but the CO2 level is unnaturally high. Alarm indication. The sensor flashes and sounds once every 5 seconds. There is a small CO2 leak that has caused the average CO2 concentration to exceed 5,000 ppm over 8 hours, so-called time-weighted average or permissible exposure limit, PEL. If the gas leak is not found, call for service. Alarm indication, low alarm. The sensor flashes and sounds 5 times. Then there is a 1-second pause before resuming again. The CO2 concentration is over 15,000 ppm, or 1.5%. There is a CO2 gas leak. Call for service. A service tech should remedy the problem under supervision of another person. High alarm. The concentration is over 30,000 ppm, or 3%. The horn strobe sounds and flashes continuously, as does the CO2 sensor. Evacuate the room and call the fire department. Fault indication. If the CO2 sensor sounds continuously without flashing, it is the self-diagnostics indicating a sensor fault. Call for service. Thank you for your time. We hope this short instruction has been helpful for you in understanding our product. LogiCO2, safety made simple and economical through technology.